At the vanguard of India's textile industry, Gujarat continues to push boundaries with its innovative spirit. For over 2 decades, the state has worked tirelessly for the growth of its textile industry with one goal in mind: to build a Bharat that is at the forefront of global textile production. Revolutionary policies like the Gujarat Textile Policy 2012 gave a fillip to the entire textile value chain. Over 1,300 textile units benefited through the policy, generating around 1 lakh plus jobs in the state. The policy's resounding success has made Gujarat India's leading cotton producer. Today, Gujarat's apparel sector is bustling with SEZs, research and training institutes, and centers dedicated to upskilling workers and various textile activity clusters. Now, a transformative policy is redefining the sector's excellence. Gujarat Textile Policy 2024. The policy introduced streamlined processes and customized packages for labor-intensive units, poised to amplify the output of state's traditional textile ecosystem exponentially. Inspired by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's bold 5F vision of farm to fiber, to factory, to fashion, to foreign. The new Gujarat Textile Policy 2024 will propel not just Gujarat but all of India to unprecedented heights in the global textile arena. It will help in building the Vikasit Bharat of tomorrow.
हम अपने हैंडलूम, अपने खादी, अपने टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर को वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनाना चाहते हैं। यही विकसित भारत के निर्माण का रास्ता है और यही रास्ता विकसित भारत के हमारे सपने को पूरा करेगा।
With the new Gujarat Textile Policy 2024, textile production in Gujarat is now supported with capital subsidy, a generous 10% to 35% boost for production units, interest subsidy 5% to 7% per annum for 5 to 8 operational years, energy cost relief, power tariff subsidy of ₹1 per unit for 5 years, payroll assistance rupees 2,000 to rupees 5,000 per worker monthly for 5 years. In addition, labor-intensive units are eligible to receive enhanced benefits under this policy. Today, Gujarat's textile sector is all set to play a pivotal role in making a Vikasit Bharat by 2047, contributing to the nation's economic transformation. With innovation, collaboration and resilience, we will stitch together a future of unparalleled growth and success for India.